A couple of days back, something interesting had happened, but I missed that completely. So I thought, let me make a video today. Better late than never. To show you what actually happened, let me go back to the date of Yugadi, the beginning of Chaitra Navaratri, and I am showing you the Amavasya. Elongation of the moon is 0 degrees. This was on March 19th, 2026. You have already seen this before. But I am going to show you a slightly different perspective this time. I'm going to include in the video the orbit of the moon, this orange line that you see. Moon does not orbit on the ecliptic. The ecliptic is the apparent path of the sun. Moon's orbit is close to the ecliptic, but you can clearly see it's north of the ecliptic. Now, how far north is it? You have to look at the ecliptic latitude. So far, I have never talked about ecliptic latitude. This is the first time, and this indicates how far it is from the moon, from the ecliptic, 1.7549 degrees north. The positive number means it's to the north. Good. Now, I'm going to start the simulation. The moon is moving more and more north of the ecliptic, 3.5 degrees, 4 degrees, 4.5 degrees. It's approaching 5 degrees now. So this is the maximum the moon goes north of the ecliptic. It's pretty much hugging the ecliptic. Now it's going to start coming back towards the ecliptic. It's come down to 3.6 degrees. Now it's at 2.7 degrees. It's approaching the ecliptic again. And I'm going to wait until it actually comes on top of the ecliptic. There. Now the ecliptic latitude is 0 degrees. This means the moon is on the ecliptic, and after this it will move south of the ecliptic. So this point where the moon is, or where the moon was on March 30th, 2026 at 5 o'clock in the evening, this point is nothing but Ketu. In English, it's known as the descending node of the moon. So the moon was at Ketu on March 30th, 2026 at 5 o'clock in the evening. After that, it started moving south of the ecliptic. To give you a better context to this whole thing, I'm going to zoom out and show you the entire celestial sphere. And now you can see the moon north and south of the ecliptic is very clear, but I'm also showing the entire celestial sphere. So, I'm not talking about the celestial equator, north of the equator, south of the equator. No, that is different. That is more relevant to the sun, equinox, etc. Here I'm talking about the moon crossing the ecliptic. And usually, or rather, there is a chance of an lunar eclipse happening when the moon crosses Ketu. But for that to happen, it should also be very close to Purnima, which means that the elongation should be close to 180 degrees, at least 170 degrees it should be, 165 degrees, but it's only 150 degrees on March 30th, so we did not have a lunar eclipse. We simply had the moon at Ketu. We have seen Rahu and Ketu. I have explained this in greater detail in a different video, but this one I thought I should highlight to you that every month, every chandramasa, the moon will cross Ketu once and Rahu once. And it crossed Ketu on March 30th, 2026 at 5 o'clock in the evening.